Shaitan Rajim, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurrahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tatpura. Today I am going to deliver my lecture. This problem is of cottage and small scale industries, as we have discussed it. Some pointers in the previous lecture. It is class 11th. Now, the fourth point which we are going to discuss is problem of marketing. Problem of marketing. ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है इन कॉटेज एंड स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए. इट इज़ बिकॉज द प्रोडक्शन which is produced through these industries, there is not proper marketing facility for those production. So the industries have to suffer a lot of difficulties in order to market their goods. For example, outward appearance of goods produced is not appealing. Number two, tastes of the consumers undergo change occasionally. For example, earthen pottery is giving away to aluminum utensils. Number three, consumers demand ever new designed goods that these industries lack wonderfully. Fourth point, industry has no marketing organization of its own, so it has to depend on middlemen and brokers. Fifth point, industry can ill afford to meet the expense of publicity, and so the producers are least popular. This is the problem. These are the problems of marketing which these cottage, small scale and cottage industries are facing. And fifth point is high cost of production. High cost of production. इन कुछ स्मॉल स्केल कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज में जो प्रोडक्शन हम तैयार करते हैं, इनको बनाने में बिकॉज दे आर मैनुअल, दे आर मेड बाय द मैन, manual power is more engaged in it, so it takes more time, with the result that the cost of production is high and it cannot compete in the market as far as the cost is concerned. So costs of production in these industries are pretty high. It is so because they get raw material at high prices and their technique of production is outdated. Besides, on account of small scale production, fixed costs are high. Consequently, they cannot compete with the large scale industry. And the sixth point is competition with the large scale industries. Competition with the large scale industries. One of the main problems of these industries is that they have to face competition of the large scale industries. Goods manufactured by large industries are comparatively cheap and of good quality. Thus, these industries are not in a position to compete with large industries. And seventh point for this is more taxes. More taxes. These industries are burdened with local taxes that raise their cost of production and hence prices of manufactured goods. इन चीज़ों में क्या किया जाता है, लोकल टैक्सेस में ज़्यादा चढ़ाया जाता है ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम है इन इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के लिए स्मॉल स्केल कि वो इसमें पीछे रह जाते हैं, कामयाब नहीं होते हैं। नंबर 8 पॉइंट इज more importance to luxuries, more importance to luxuries, more importance to luxuries. Cottage industries in India have so far concerned more on the producers of artistic and luxury goods which are fairly costly. Their demand being limited, it is difficult to enlarge production. And the ninth and the last point is uneducated entrepreneurs. Uneducated entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs running these industries and the workers engaged therein are generally illiterate, ignorant, and concentration. For want of education, they are ignorant about modern tools and techniques of production. They fail to organize their industries efficiently. ये वो पॉइंट्स थे, ये वो बातें थी जो इससे प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ कोटेज एंड स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री के साथ वाबस्ता है। यही प्रॉब्लम्स है इनमें जिसमें इसकी प्रोडक्शन जो है या इनका अपग्रेडेशन जो है वो मुमकिन नहीं है। I hope that you have understood this. We have completed this question that probably which is problems of cottage and small scale industries. Inshallah, with next lecture with new topic. Assalamu alaikum.